Alright, y'all. It's your boy Sunny T. My lovely wife, Sunny K. We are back at it. We're on the Guadalupe River in Lupe. And it's a weekend. I don't typically, weekends are not my favorite time to fish because there's so many people out here, but you gotta go fishing when you can. So we're out here, we're gonna try to tie into some. We're gonna try to hit some new spots in the river that I haven't got to before. Y'all with me, Sunny people? Let's get it on. That's a nice red breast. Yeah, had to have the little cranky crank. Oh, you're not recording. I don't think. Pretty sure you're not. I hope I am. Did you reset the things?
Oh, baby guy.
You got one. He's not big. Yep, right about it, sister. Got you recording? I don't think I am. That's a good size.
Oh, yeah. Trying to dig it.
Yeah.
Dig it, dig it.
Wow, look at the size of that female.
This is ginormous fish.
Wow, she swallowed it.
Yep.
Good, you recorded.
Stop it, fish. I don't even know where it's hooked on it.
You might just have to kind of shove it in.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Pry it off. Pry it off.
Okay. Stop it. Like I get it free and then it hooks somewhere else.
Mm-hmm.
Don't do that. I'm gonna need your grabber.
Yeah, let me see.
Oh, no, I got it. Here you go, you can fix that.
Just chunk it, yeah.
No, I got you, fish. Eight 8 3/4 sunfish, y'all.
That's not bad.
8 3/4.
Not too shabby.
My nail polish matches its color. Look at that beauty. Woo-wee. Away you go, fishy.
Thank you, baby. Bassy Wass. Largo. Key Largo.
Sunny T's bass. Not too shabby. Ooh, he's missing his part of his fin tail. Yeah.
Hey.
Poor buddy. See you later. Came up at the end and got it.
Not the gar, hopefully.
No.
I just got on the wrong bait.
Oh. Buddy.
They can't have handle that wiggle.
I'm gonna need a gerber. This is all kinds of not nice to hear.
Alright, that's it. Oh.
Ow. Well, see, now you got meat fish. Stop it. Quit it.
Right on my foot.
Okay.
Right on my right foot.
Alright. Buddy. There we go. There we are. Nice little pretty babes.
Mm-hmm.
See ya, fishy.
Yeah, did it while I was trying to reel a little bit. I think it's a bluegill, actually. No, it's a red breast female. Down below. She got a belly on her. Thank you, baby. You've been caught before. Little guy. Yep. Come here, buddy. Oh. Little Guadalupe gold. Thank ya. Nothing in your mouth that we can see. Thank ya. Oh shoot, I had a thousand fish the whole bloody time.
Now I got one.
Got him, sister. Get him. Sunny K got a good one.
No, it feels small.
Sunny K got a good one.
It's small.
You sure?
It feels small.
It just.
Ah. Yeah?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't even think I'm recording. Hope you recording.
Uh-huh.
Now. Sunny K got a beast. You wanna measure?
Here we go,
That's
baby.
good size.
Yep. See you later, fishy fish. Just didn't hook up. Got him that time. flung him out the water. Little guy, but hey, we'll take him. Huh?
It's been slow.
Yeah.
Guy's better than much.
Little baby. See you later, baby. Splash.
Sunny K. Getting the sun.
Here we are, people. Yeah, he came and took that one. Come on, baby. Ooh-wee. A big one, too. Look at that bad boy there. Woo-woo.
Yeah.
I was over there.
Ah, wow. Good grief. Good thing mine is. Yeah, yours. Mine's just going.
Look at that bad boy there.
That's a good one. Yeah. Told you in the rocks.
I was over there.
Yeah, I know, but there's rocks all over here.
This one's another 8
8 3/4. Nice.
Another monster.
Yeah. Pretty good size one. You bit or rocks? Not as nearly as big as yours. Well, probably might be the biggest one I caught all day. Thank you, baby. You got an audience too. Got him. Hung up. I got one. Just letting it ride. Just trying to paddle to you. I guess they down deep, deep, deep. Come here, boy. You just had to have it. Didn't ya? Hook right. Yeah, I knew there's gonna be. This rock garden pretty good. You almost got out. There you go, Sunny people.